Are you still referring this kind of thick book to get into IT industry? Do you think you need to be a coding genius to make six figure in the IT industry? This is the biggest lie in the tech world right now. While everyone else is struggling to learn Java or Python without any interest, thousands of people are landing high-paying IT jobs without writing a single line of code. In this video, I am going to show you top 3 high-paying tech careers for 2026 that requires zero coding. And the number one, which is my favorite on this list, is the easiest to start if you have a good communication skill. And let's get into it. Coding is complex, I understand, and everyone don't love it. But the problem is that I have done engineering from computer science, and so I have to learn it. No, gone are the days. Industry is shifting. Companies don't just need coders; they need people who can manage products, who can design experience, who can improve the experience of customer, and who can explain technologies. So we need this kind of role also. And this role often pay as well as any software developers. Nothing less than that. So here I'm going to talk about roles which you can opt if you not interested in coding. So number one is product manager. So it's a good high paying job. It need a bit of leadership skills. It needs a domain expertise and a product expertise. And you should also be able to uh, write epics and able to communicate with the developers. The one of the I will say cons of this is bit higher stress and it needs experience. It is very difficult for a fresher or with those who don't have experience to get into it. And sometimes few companies also need MBA degree to become a product manager. But this is definitely a good paying job. Number two in my list is UX developer or UX designer. So the good part is that if you have a very creative bent of mind, you have very good understanding of visuals, you love designs, colors, this is for you. But if you don't have artistic bent of mind and you don't have an eye for design, then I will suggest you not to get into this because then you may not end up enjoying it. But again, this is a good paying career, and I know many of my friends who are in this career and they're thriving. And it is generally they are helping the improving the experience of the product. And number three, which is my favorite and the hero in this pack, is technical writing. This is the hidden gem of the IT world. Why I'm saying hidden gem? Because still technical writing is not that famous like you are UX designer or a product management or any other functional rules. Uh, why I think it is better, why it is my favorite. Uh, so I'm teaching or mentoring technical writers from last 15 years. And the what I have experienced in this that you don't need to uh, get stressed as any developer or a PM to become a technical writer or this role also gives you a very good work-life balance. And also you don't need to have an artistic or the designer bent of mind. You just need to have a logical and a clear understanding of the product so that you can understand the product and you can explain it logically to your customer so that customer can use it effectively. About the salary, uh, the salary is like any developer. And with my experience from my students, if I have to give you data, although Society of Technical Communicators (STC) also every year run a salary survey, and being all those things, I can say that freshers typically start with 4 to 6 lakh, and upper there is no upper limit. If you work in any top FANG companies, definitely it will be more than 1 crore plus. So I know many technical writers who are today on a director level, and they are earning definitely a good salary. Like they are working in a company like Adobe, Salesforce, Google, you name the company, and there you will find a senior technical writers, and they are earning a dream salary. So if you want to see the success story of my students, they all are from different backgrounds. I have students from interior designing backgrounds, hospitality management students. I have students from aerospace domain. I have students from content writing domain. You name the domain, I have the students, and they all are earning very handsome salary. And I have students. Let me show you my Hall of Fame. From there, I think you will have a better idea. Uh, just let me share my screen. Uh, it is, yeah. So here you can see I have a students, Rini. She was again working in the operations, then moved into technical writing. I have many students. Vikas, he was a journalist and he moved into technical writing. Uh, he was into medical writing. And he was from aeronautical background. So you name the field. I have student Prasanna. She was into content writing. So she was in Nitya was in a profession of teaching, and you name the profession. Our students. Sumit is from a development background. He, because of work-life balance, he moved from development to technical writing. Similarly, I have Mridunjay, who was from a spare part writer. So you name the profession, like Sugandha says in Germany, and this is international products. And we have a Tanaya. She was a fresher directly from out of college, and she's getting earning in lakhs, and she's just out of college. And she was English graduate, and like similarly, I have many Hall of Fames, right? So I will suggest you to go and watch this. And this is Sachin from aerospace. Okay, so this is a proven track I have. All right, so it is a system where I have seen a student coming from different backgrounds and getting into IT industries. So, so if you can write simple, clear English and you want to enter into the IT world in the next 90 days, technical writing is your best bet. You don't need to go back to college. You just need to write a proper English with good understanding of the product. So I have uh, decided to go one-to-one if you want to become a technical writer. So you just have to fill an application form. I will review your application form. If I find you the right fitment, you will get a call from my team, and then I will sit with you, and then we can talk about the opportunities and your fitment for the role, and what you have to do and what you don't have to do. So if you want to have a personal call with me, fill the form. You can get that form in a link wherever it is. So it may be in the description, and it may be in the comment. I will pin it into the comment. So if you want to become a technical writer in 90 days, do not miss this opportunities. And also do not forget to share this video with your friends or family whom you think that they deserve to work in an IT company, and do not forget to subscribe. So thank you for now. Thank you for watching.